Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Destiny. How are you guys doing today? I am doing great. I could not find anything to wear for this video, so I decided to just wear this sports bra because you guys aren't gonna see anything from here down, so might as well. As you may or may not know, there's this trend been going on of people doing polls on Instagram and basically telling their viewers to choose the left or the right side, a yes or no, etc, etc. So I decided to hop on one of those trains and I decided that I was going to be doing my Instagram followers controls my life for a day. It's so hard for me to say that sentence, I swear. I'm so OCD and controlling with everything that I do, so it's gonna be a really big change. So I think this is gonna be fun and interesting for you guys to watch. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing for today's video, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's just get into the video. Hey guys. Okay, so I just woke up an hour ago and I think the first poll that I want to do is, should I make my bed? I'm the type of person that makes my bed every single morning. It would really feel weird if I didn't make my bed. So I took a picture of my bed and put it on my Instagram story. So I'm gonna give it about 10-20 minutes and we'll see if I'm going to make my bed or not for the day, because that'd be really weird if I didn't, because I'm just so used to it and I'm like so OCD about like my room being clean, especially in the mornings. So we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, some time has passed and we're gonna go check the results right now. Oh my gosh, looking at the results right now and I literally have a 50-50. It literally says 50-50. I don't know what to do. Okay, I guess I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, like 3 more minutes, and then we'll see if a change came or not. Okay, so I waited a little bit longer and the results are 49-51. Dang, I literally cannot make my bed. Oh my gosh. So basically my bed is gonna stay looking like this. This is so weird for me, but luckily like my room is always like tidy, so it wouldn't be like that big of a deal. At least the rest of the room is clean, so it kind of makes up for it. I kind of want to know if I should do my makeup or not, because I kind of want to go out. I'm going to be out and about and do my makeup, so I'm going to ask my Instagram followers if I should put makeup on today. Should I wear makeup today? Yes or no? Okay, so I just asked everyone if I should wear makeup today, so I'm going to give that about 10-20 minutes and we'll see the results are. Alright guys, so the results are in. Makeup won by 61%. So your girl's gonna be putting on makeup today. Thank God, honestly. I have like leftover makeup from yesterday. Voila! I just finished my makeup and oh my gosh, it looks really good today. Someone left a comment on one of my last videos telling me that my eyebrows did not look the same. And it's kind of funny because some days they do look exactly the same as each other, but then some days they don't. So makeup is done. Next is outfit. So I laid out 2 different outfits on my floor. One is just like a casual like leggings and a t-shirt type thing, and the other is more dressy. So we'll see what people want to see me in today. I'm kind of hoping for like the loungy part, but then like if they choose a cute one, then that's fine too. Alright you guys, 20 minutes is up, so let's see which one won. The left won by 62%, thank God, because I didn't feel like getting dressed up today, so leggings and just a t-shirt it is. Okay guys, I am dressed. Literally the most simplest outfit ever. I got the white shoes on, and this is actually the t-shirt that I bought in that clothing haul video I did, I think like a few weeks ago. Alright, so I'm ready for the day. The next thing that I need to do is eat. Y'all chose this outfit on the hottest day ever. Well, actually it was like my fault because I had a whole wardrobe and I chose those 2 outfits. Okay, I'm gonna ask everyone if I should eat Chick-fil-A or Whataburger. So I'm gonna put that on the poll. What should I eat? Chick-fil-A or what a burger? Okay, so I'm sending that to my story. I'm gonna give it about 10-20 minutes and we gonna meet up again. Alright Alright you guys, it's time to look at the results, see which one won. Was it Whataburger or was it Chick-fil-A? Hey, Chick-fil-A won by 58%, so we about to take it to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Has anybody else ever called Chick-fil-A Chick-fil-A? I just feel like it's so much funner to say Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A. We're going to Chick-fil-A.
It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. It isn't in my blood. I need somebody now. I just want you to go with me. We are the love of mentality. Picking it up, loving them little, so we turn it up. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out here? F-R-I-N-D-S.
You guys almost broke! Okay guys, so I just got to Chick-fil-A, but I still have to make a poll on what I'm gonna eat. Normally I would get like chicken nuggets or maybe a salad, so I'm gonna give you guys the decision and I'm gonna ask y'all. Hey guys, I'm at Chick-fil-A, but I need to know what I'm gonna eat. Am I gonna eat a salad or am I gonna eat chicken nuggets? So you guys let me know, and you have until I get to the window, so yeah. Alright you guys, so can you guess what I got from Chick-fil-A? You guys chose nuggets, of course. I feel like none of my audience would choose a salad. I feel like we would all choose nuggets. There's something I never really like talked about on the internet, but I'm just not the type of person to get on YouTube when my life is falling apart. Like, I know that sounds so weird. If I need to film a video, literally like prior to me filming, I have to feel happy and like confident and all these things, because I feel like it just shows through video when someone's really sad or just putting on like a fake front. I don't like to be fake in front of the camera, and I never really talked about this, but if I'm upset or angry, am I crying or this, that, and the other, I just cannot film and put on a smile and a happy face and pretend like everything's all right. Like, every single video that I've ever shot, I've genuinely was happy in those videos. I don't think there was any time I put on a face and was a happy-go-lucky person when I was like actually like really sad inside. I just feel like I just couldn't get on the internet and like smile and laugh when in the inside I just want to like cry. And the way I am in videos is pretty much the same way I am in real life, but I'm probably like 10 times more energetic and out there in real life than I am on like YouTube, which is so funny because you would think it'd be the opposite way, but it's actually not. But overall, I'm pretty much the same person on YouTube and in real life. I'm really glad you guys chose the nuggets. Honestly, Chick-fil-A is probably one of the only fast foods I can choose to eat like every day and I wouldn't get tired of it. Alright you guys, so I just got eating and it was delicious, but the next thing that I'm gonna ask on the poll is, should I get my nails done? Should I get my nails done? Yes or no? Should I just paint them myself? I haven't gotten my nails done in forever, dude, so I'm kind of hoping people will say yes. Alright, so the poll just finished and 86% voted yes and 14% voted no. So now I'm gonna go get my nails done. It's been forever, so it's gonna be great finally getting them done and feeling fresh and new again. So I just made it to the nail salon, but I wasn't exactly sure what color I should get. So I decided to ask everyone on Instagram again for my nails what color I should get. The two that I put on the poll was white or pink/nude, just like neutral tone colors because it'll go with anything. I think everyone is going to vote nude or pink just because like that's the more trendy thing to do nowadays, but we'll see. Got my nails done and it's so cute. Got my nails done and they look so good. I'm kind of upset because I can't run a poll asking if I should go to the gym or not because it closes like in an hour and that doesn't give me enough time. Alright you guys, for the last poll, I decided that I was going to ask you guys if I should go and buy this game called Speak Out and play that in a next coming video, or if I should just get ready for bed and just relax. That's what I'm gonna be putting on my Instagram poll, and then we're gonna see what the results are. It's so yellow in here, so I'm literally like holding up my phone to give me more white light. I really hope that everyone chooses Speak Out because that's a game I've been wanting to play forever now, and I feel like it'd be really funny to watch on my channel, so hopefully everyone says yes to that. Agile. The Speak Out game, I don't see it. We were literally about to leave because I thought they didn't have it and it was just backwards. We got the game, Agile. You want any of these Barbies or dolls or anything? Alright guys, I got to the game and I'm about to check out, but I'm just gonna end the video here because this was the last poll that I was gonna do. Here, do the outro thing. Feels weird doing it in the store, doesn't it? I feel like everybody's listening to me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and everything will link down in the description below. And I think that is it. Make sure you subscribe because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!